sounding like a man. That's good because this isn't showing.
Yeah. Okay. So my friend Wendy has stopped by and she got her Echo Park warehouse box
Yes.
that she purchased. So
Super excited to get started with some cards.
right? And have you ever made cards before?
Nope, never.
No?
Nope.
So how are you going to learn?
Well, take this out and cut it up and just get started.
We actually have craft groups that you're going to be coming to. Do you have a paper trimmer yet?
I do not.
Okay, you can use mine. But you've already looked through this.
I have looked through it. It's pretty
Okay.
fun stuff.
So was it similar to what I got?
It looks like it from your videos.
Okay, so the first thing, washi tape.
Yes.
You got the Deck the Halls decorative washi tape and
I love family.
I Love Family.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the same washi tape that I had gotten.
Yep.
And do you like washi tape?
I think I've never used it before, honestly, but it's super cool.
I think it's cool. I have become addicted. My recent addiction is to washi tape. And you got the same two stamps
Yep.
that I got. The flowers and then the ocean waves.
Mm-hmm.
And do you know how to use these?
I don't know how to use those, actually.
So we have an acrylic block that you can put them on and then you
Okay.
ink them up with a stamp pad. We need to get you stamp pads.
I need to get a stamp pad, yes.
We are many stamp pads. You cannot just have one stamp pad.
Oh, really? Gotta have different colors?
You have to have one of every color, like a rainbow
Oh,
collection
geez,
of
where am I
stamp-
going to store all this stuff?
Well, you'll outgrow this box very soon.
Yeah.
I'll just tell you that. And
Oh, the dots.
the Traveler's Notebook enamel dots.
Mm-hmm.
I love the colors. What did you... This little silvery gray...
Yeah, that's
bluish,
one. That one and the green are probably my favorites, too.
right? And I like the blue. I mean, I like all of them, but I think they're gorgeous.
Yeah. That should be fun to figure out what to do with those.
And bows.
Those.
This is the Cabin Fever line. I think I might have this paper pack. I'm not quite sure, but it is.
Yeah,
really
learning
cute.
to figure out how to use these is going to be a fun thing. I never really thought about puffy stuff on cards.
Oh, and puffy stickers.
Oh, look at that.
You know, my eldest daughter, she called them puppy stickers.
Oh, I can see that. Maybe the reindeer.
Right? No, everything that was puffy was puppy.
Oh, it was puppy.
Even from the, so she still calls them that.
Oh, yeah. That's
And then I got the same one. These are the bows from the Magic Wonder line. And I literally opened mine up and grabbed one out and put it in my day planner.
Oh, that's a good idea. I was watching your video and I saw that.
Yeah.
I was wondering what I was going to do with it.
I like them. And they are...
Maybe a good bookmark, too.
Oh, it would be an amazing bookmark because they're really strong.
Yeah.
Much stronger than the regular paper clips that
okay.
I have. So you also got practically perfect decorative brads. And what do you think of these?
Well, initially when I saw them, I thought about magnets for my refrigerator.
That's a good idea. That's a really good
Put a
idea.
magnet on those and then use those maybe for gift tags or something like that.
That'd be really cool. Now, you work for the post office?
I do.
So everything that you're thinking is, will it add postage to my card? Will it have to be hand stamped?
Exactly.
Would you add these to a card?
Probably not, to be honest. Maybe on a package, to decorate a package or something.
Okay. Maybe the flat one possibly? Would we need extra, we would need extra hand for the raised dot ones.
Yes, I think so, because at this point you couldn't, it's a raised package then, and it wouldn't be able to be
Put through the machine.
put through the machine. It's unmachinable then.
Unmachinable. And then with this also, these are from the Rockabye Baby mini paper fans. I love these.
These are super cute. I didn't know exactly what I was going to do with them either, but I think packages, if I'm hand giving a package, probably I would put that on there. Or maybe even if I was sending a package, it could go on the outside.
Because we have a
Because
lot
it's
of,
already a box, so.
right? We have a lot of people that are having babies.
Yeah.
That would be a little baby boy and this on a gift bag.
Mm-hmm.
That'd be really cute.
Those would be cute like that.
On like a couple onesies that we've made decorative
Oh,
sayings, right?
Yeah, I didn't think about
You can
that.
roll up the onesies,
Yeah.
and then tie this around with a that would be cute.
And then I'm also thinking about making homemade bonnets, so maybe you could tie one of those to it or whatever.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, I like it. You are a creative person. And then you got Once Upon a Time layered stickers. What would you do?
Well, until I actually talked to you this morning, I wasn't sure what I was going to do with those.
Because you were
did.
trying to give this away
Yes,
to me.
I was trying to give it to you. I was like, I don't know any princesses, but.
And I would totally take it, but I'm like, no, I don't want to take your stuff.
Yeah.
But no, it's got a lot of multiple purposes. I mean, you don't even need to be for princesses. This one right here definitely could go for like a fairy tale wedding or some sort of a wedding, or somebody that's getting into a job. What was this saying? Wishes do come true. Like a friend applies for a job or creates. Like when I become like really famous because I make like really
Yeah,
cool
right.
things, you could send me a card that says
wishing your wishes come true.
yeah, right?
Yeah.
Like, really, but no. So that's cool.
Happens.
It happens, right? And then you got the same stencils I got from the Echo Park and then Once Upon a Timeline. Well, we have acreage here, you know.
Yes.
You do too. So this is the chipboard from the Christmas delivery
Yeah,
line.
this one's really nice.
Yeah, this is the same one I got, and you know me and my truck. I love that truck.
Yeah.
And then the chipboard accent, I love family. You need to go to Tuesday morning if you're ever in Salem and look for this paper pack and then come and join us because we have a group of 2 other ladies that are making
this
cards
one?
out of this.
Oh, that'd be fun, yeah.
And then you have the washi tape for it too.
Ah. That's right, that's this one right here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, no, this one right here.
Yeah.
The family. Oh, yeah. Okay.
It looks like it goes too, huh? It's cute. So then decorative rub-ons, Hello Fall. Now you were saying you've used rub-ons before.
I
How
have.
did you use them?
So I got a piece of wood, and then I actually found like different things that I thought people would like, and then I put their names on it, and I rubbed them onto the wood and gave those as gifts. And it looked really cool.
That sounds gorgeous. You know, we're building a house. We're going to have a lot of extra wood, right?
Yeah. Oh,
Do
there
you
you go.
Do you not think I'm going to be totally going out every night because I'm in charge? I'm supposed to be the one that has to do the cleanup every
Oh
day.
yeah. Oh, that's fun.
And I am so excited because I'm like, yeah, I'm going to go out there and I'm going to pick up all the little tiny pieces of wood
Yeah.
and I'm going to hoard them like little chipmunks hoard acorns and stuff.
You can use them for these.
And I'm going to do, I've got all kinds of things. Cut aparts and everything. Yeah. Okay, so now
I
we
really
have,
like these things.
we have not gone through the whole box.
No, we have not.
We have just, because we put half the stuff in and then we said we were going to
A
start
little video.
over.
Yeah.
So you got single sheet of paper, which I really absolutely love.
Yes, this one's awesome.
And this is one side.
It's so hard when they're double-sided like this because you don't know what to use. It's super cool.
You can use both though.
Okay.
You can use half of this side and then you can turn around, cut a couple cut aparts. You can actually cut the cut aparts apart, and then if you don't like this one, you can use this as your background. Use this side of it, and then use this on top of that
Oh, that's a
side,
good idea.
right? Or this one. So you got that line, and then you got. I'm trying because we were all talking about how they were coming apart. The this line was coming out. And then you got the summer one, and I got the summer one, and Life is Better in Summer. I love this.
these.
And I'm actually thinking I got the Hello Summer pack.
Mm.
So we need to go through and see when I was on my big haul through Northwest Portland.
Oh, right.
Yeah, and you're coming with us next time?
I hope so.
I hear you,
It looks like that would be a lot of fun.
you have volunteered
Volunteer
yourself.
myself.
Yeah, but we've got to film it next time because it was amazing. It was a lot of fun. Okay, I was exhausted, but it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
'Cause we're talking 9 hours in a car. I'm so tired. Definitely need to take a thermos full of coffee.
Oh, yes.
And the beach one, Beach Memories Last a Lifetime. Did someone say lifeguard?
Yeah.
That's cute.
Time for vitamin C.
Right? And we live at the beach.
Yeah.
So this is absolutely, and what would you use this for?
Well, a lot of them are gift tags, but I also would use these for, you could use them for packages, maybe putting them on cards or whatever, I think. So
I would use
them a lot more than I think the puffier things.
Yeah, I dream of making cards with mine. Lots of cards so that you can just send them out to people,
Yeah.
especially people that have come to visit you.
Oh, yes.
And you can or people that you have visited, then you can turn around and send them a thank you card.
Yes.
And it could be come and join us at the beach.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that idea.
I like
have
sending
one sitting in
cards.
their room when they come to visit or anything like that.
Oh, especially if we were like on
Yeah.
Airbnb, we could have a welcome to our cabin
Yeah.
or welcome to your room.
Right.
That would be nice. We are a huge area. We live where people come to vacation.
Come to vacation. Yep.
Which is why we rarely go on vacation.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so this is your basketball. Now, I got one that was slightly different.
Yeah, and I have to say, I like yours a little bit better than this one, but I have a little boy that can definitely maybe use this.
Well, I think that I think mine complements yours.
Yeah.
And may need to meet. I'm open for trading. I'm
Yeah,
just
yeah,
gonna
me
say
too.
that.
Yeah, for
And
sure.
then you got the boy birthday wishes, and I love the chevron that chevron pattern.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
But I also really like the stripes. And then we both got the same Christmas one.
Yeah.
That is, I just love the
And this
Christmas
is such
paper.
a cool idea too, because if you're making a gift, I think for, say, if you're making the jars sometimes that for teachers or whatever, you could
exactly.
use these for that to hang off of there. That's what I was
Right.
thinking of when I saw this.
So gift tags, tags, and Christmas cards, because there's no reason why you can't use these, or even bookmarks,
Mm-hmm.
right? We could come up with a ton of ideas.
Different ideas. Yeah.
And this paper right here is super thick.
Yeah, I was noticing that one about that one too.
And it's kind of like for scrapbooking. Do you do scrapbooking?
I don't.
No?
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
And I didn't do big scrapbooking. It was more of my own kind of stuff.
I want to start getting into that travel journal scrapbooking. So that's really cute. And then you also got the 12 by 12 paper pad. Now you have John, who is staying with you, and he is a young
Snapper.
one. Yeah. And which paper did
He
there's
absolutely
cut
loves the
aparts.
fishing one back there.
The fishing.
Yeah.
Now there's 2 sets of each print.
Mm-hmm.
I actually really do like the camping. They're perfect for boy cards.
Cards and stuff.
And I
yeah.
do have a problem with boy cards because I have girls, all girls in my
Oh,
family.
yeah?
And we do have one boy coming.
Oh, there you go.
My grandson will be born in November, December. So I'm going to need to, he liked this one.
Yes, he loves this one right there.
That's cute. So I'm going to need to figure out how to bring more boy cards.
Yeah, this one's fun too. You can cut it up, I think, and use the words or...
Yeah, you could use it as a whole background, or you're right, you could totally, they call that fussy cutting
Oh,
around
fussy
the
cutting,
words.
okay.
Yeah, totally fussy cut around. You could even use this.
Mm-hmm.
You could even put these words on the inside of the card to decorate the inside. Or put them on the front of the card. So many options. And then you got, this is where
foil.
we stopped.
Yes, and I don't really know anything about foil. So when I saw your video, I was like, okay, I got to bring this and say, what do you do with foil?
Same thing you do with the regular paper. So it's the Winter
okay.
Silver Foil Stripe Collection. And it's got...
It's just because it's shiny that it makes it the foil, correct?
Yeah. And some people like the shine. It's just like people like glitter,
Yeah, all right.
right? It's different.
Yeah.
We like different.
Yeah.
And it's from the Stars and Stripe collection. And I like stripes because they can be really great background papers. And then you can put like a plain piece of cardstock with your focal point on the front of the card.
Oh, that's a good idea. Okay.
And then you have the dots and stripes, and this is the fall collection. And I just realized by going through yours that this would be an amazing.
Yeah, because initially that wasn't my favorite paper when I got it, to be honest.
A lot
But
of
now
people
this,
don't like the stars and stripes.
yeah,
I do because again, it's your background paper.
right.
And when you add your background paper, you put a little dark brown or a white piece of cardstock paper on the front, and then you rub on that on the front of it.
Oh, now that's a good idea. I wouldn't have thought about that.
You can even take your blocks of wood, send this paper through the Cricut machine or cut it out and make letters
Oh.
that spell Happy Fall, and then decoupage them on the blocks
Oh, that's clever.
and put some of your little rub-ons,
Rub-ons on it.
as decorations on it.
I guess I'll be borrowing your Cricut.
You can come over and we can play
Craft
Cricut
together.
anytime. Yes. I'm getting ready to make a t-shirt.
Oh, okay. So this is a travel looking one or
The
something.
travel.
Right? Yeah.
I love this one. I didn't initially, when I saw it at the store, I almost came home with it and I didn't. And now that I have it, I'm super excited and I may go back and get more because I just noticed the Traveler notebooks, and Kristen and I did 6 states a year, like I was saying on the last one. I think it would be cool to take these. I saw one of them had Paris, and I took her to Paris, and I could do the whole traveling journal notebook that I was going to make.
Oh, yeah.
And then use this as the
This is
accents.
paperwork. Yep.
Yes. Do you travel a lot?
No. We're going to take our first cruise here next May.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, these kind of,
I don't like them with that.
a little bit.
I mean, they could be used as an accent,
Yeah.
but I definitely think I like them with the stars and stripes. But,
Yeah.
I mean, look at this.
That together. But these combinations will go well, I think, yeah.
Yeah.
For
I mean,
sure.
all 3 of them complement each other perfectly. So, would you make fall cards?
I would make fall cards. Yeah. I think it'd be fun.
I think it would be a lot of fun. So we both have this one. We should craft together and make cards.
Yeah, I think
As
that would be
many
fun.
cards as we can with this one. Like, no paper left behind. How creative can we get?
Can we get? That's a good one. All I have is, I think I have different color cardstocks too, so. Oh yeah, look at those little pop-outs. I love the
These
bear.
are stickers.
Are these stickers?
These are stickers.
Oh.
So in every sheet, they give you 12 sheets of paper and a pad of a thing of stickers, a sheet of stickers.
Oh, I
So-
totally thought those were pop-outs.
Right?
That's great.
I love the stickers.
Love stickers.
Yeah, I'm becoming a little sticker fanatic.
Yeah. Oh, see, this one was super cool to me because, especially with Halloween coming up, I was like, what can we do with this, right?
I'll be honest, I don't celebrate Halloween.
Yeah.
But I do like some of the paper, and I love the candy corn.
Oh, yes.
We call those vegetables.
Vegetables, yes. you-
So candy corn, it's corn, so vegetables. And I was super excited about
the
this one.
circus, yes.
Yes. It just reminds me of pink popcorn.
Yes, and I remember going to the circus as a kid, too.
Did you get pink popcorn?
Yes.
Yes.
I loved it.
Was it not the best?
It was the best.
They had it at the Fresno Zoo, the pink popcorn.
Oh,
so
did
when
they?
Kristen,
Oh.
when we took Kristen when she was a kid to the
Yeah.
zoo, we would always get her pink popcorn.
Oh, no
Not
way.
that she loved it, but that Mom liked
My-
eating what she didn't.
Yep.
So yeah. So overall, were you happy with the box?
I was pleasantly surprised, I have to say. And especially wanting to get into making cards, I was surprised about the box. And I found a lot of things that I could vision making cards with or doing other things with. And there's a few things that I looked at and I was like, well, I'm not quite sure. But overall, for the price and what I got, I think I was happy with it, yeah.
That's cool.
I would do it again.
You would do it again?
Oh, yeah.
I think they do it twice a year. I'm not
Yeah.
quite sure. This is my first time ever participating in one.
Mm-hmm.
But I was excited because one of these pads I can get about 40 to 60 cards out of.
Oh, wow. That's awesome.
And that's a lot.
Yeah.
And they're really cool cards. But I think it's fun. And then gift tags. And I want to start branching out and making the books and the notebooks and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
And actual other types of paper products that they have with them. So I'm gonna. Okay, so that's the whole box of what you got, and you liked what you got.
I do.
Yeah. And when are we gonna start making cards?
Oh, we should put it on the calendar because they always say if you don't put it on the calendar,
We do.
it won't happen.
That's true. So I'm going to get my